let's continue chapter number 7, that is conservation of plants and animals. Dear students, let's continue next topic, that is wildlife conservation. Dear students, let's see first what is wildlife. Wildlife refers to animals and plants living in their natural habitats. Animals like elephant, lion, tiger, deer, bear, these all are living in their natural habitats. In the same way, animals like turtle, alligators, frog, snakes, they are living in their natural habitat, means water bodies. It is necessary to conserve wildlife because it maintains ecological balance in nature. Now let's see next topic, that is causes of wildlife depletions. Dear students, there are many causes for the loss of wildlife or causes of wildlife depletions. Let's see first one, that is habitat loss. Dear students, due to deforestation, animals are lost their homes. Dear students, we are doing lot of deforestation for purpose of making dams. We are clearing land for agriculture purpose. We are establishing factories, industries. So we are destructing forest every day, and that is the one of the major reason which causes habitat loss of animals and plants. Now second one is indiscriminate hunting. Dear students, we are hunting animals for food, skin, tusk and other materials. Dear students, poaching is one of the major causes of wildlife depletions. What is poaching? Poaching is illegal hunting of animals. Next one is pollution. Air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution is also a major causes for wildlife depletion. Now let's see next topic, that is extinct species. Species of plant and animal which are lost forever is known as extinct species. For example, dinosaurs, dodo, archaeopteryx, these all are extinct species. They are now represented only through fossils. Let's see fossil of some birds and animals. Fossil of birds which are found is archaeopteryx. Fossil of reptiles, dinosaur. Now let's see dodo, which became extinct in 1680 from Mauritius due to excessive hunting by local for foods. Dear students, what is Mauritius? Mauritius means country which are near Indian Oceans. इंडियन ओशन के आसपास जितने भी कंट्री हैं उसमें उस कंट्रीज में डोडो बहुत ज़्यादा मात्रा में पहले पाया जाता था, लेकिन एक्सेसिव हंटिंग के कारण आज के समय में पूरी तरीके से वो एक्सटेंट कर चुका है. आर्चेप्टेरिक्स एंड डायनासोर बिकम एक्सटेंट ड्यू टू क्लाइमेटिक चेंजेस ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ एवोल्यूशन ऑफ अर्थ. स्टूडेंट्स, now let's see next topic, that is threatened species. Dear students, the species of plants and animal whose number are greatly reduced in number or are nearing extinctions are called threatened species. Dear students, IUCN or WCU, IUCN, International Union for Conservation of Nature and Natural Resource, commonly known as World Conservation Union, has classified threatened species into following categories. Let's see first one, that is endangered species. Dear students, these species are represented by fewer individuals because of unfavorable factors. If the same factors continue, these species would become extinct soon. For example, Asiatic lions, Indian rhinoceros, Asiatic wild ass, blue whale, great Indian bustard, etc. These all are now included in endangered species. Then now let's see next one, that is vulnerable species. Dear students, those species which are likely to move to the endangered category in near future if causative factors continue to operate are called vulnerable species. Let's see some example of vulnerable species. Chinkara, black buck, golden langur are some example of vulnerable species. Okay, dear student, now see next topic, that is rare species. Species which are existing but are very low in number are known as rare species. For example, golden cat, monk seal, Indian pied hornbill, these all are included in rare species. These species are found rarely in our countries or any part of the world. Now let's see next, that is red data book. These are the source book maintained by IUCN which contain a record of all threatened species of plants and animals which are in danger of extinctions. Around 3,000 of animals and 20,000 of plants are recorded in these books. Okay, bye.